Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, cooking and homemaking series with Aberu. My name is Rachel Aber, and welcome back to my channel. If you are watching me for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is totally free, very free. Just tap on that red subscribe word below this video and then it will definitely subscribe. So I'm going to show you the ingredients. I'm going to name you all the ingredients that we need to make our spaghetti omelette. These are all we need. The spaghetti straws themselves, the spaghetti straws, those are 250 grams of spaghetti. Then we also have our salt, that is salt that we shall put to taste. We also have these other spices, the onions, the green pepper, and the tomatoes. Then we also have our 3 eggs. We are going to use them for the 250 grams of spaghetti. Then we also have our black pepper. You can see this is our black pepper. And then we also have this is chili powder, which is optional. If you really want to use it, you can, but still you can do without, but I like it, that's why I'm using it. That is our cooking oil. Here it is. This is our cooking oil. We are going to use it to fry. Then we also, that is cooking oil still. Then we also have this spice. This is called tayarim chuzi mix. It's also a spice. We are going to use it. So now continue watching till the end, and don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and let's interact, and also share it with friends. Okay, let's continue with our work. So we are going to break our spaghetti straws into smaller lengths to allow them fit well in the pan. Yeah. And then we are going to add to our spaghetti straws hot boiled water. Hot boiled water. Don't use cold water. Cold water will make the spaghetti overcook and mash up. Then we shall add in salt to taste, depending on how much spaghetti you'll be using, but just a little salt is better. Avoid too much salt. So we shall put our spaghetti to boil and watch it get ready. 8 minutes. So now our spaghetti is ready. We are going to sieve off the excess water and only remain with the spaghetti itself. We shall put our spaghetti in a different bowl. So now these are my 3 eggs already beaten, and I'm going to go ahead and whisk them properly. And you should be very attentive on this part of the video. Just watch on. Now these are my spices, the onions, green pepper, and tomatoes. I'm just going to go ahead and add them into my beaten eggs, my whisked eggs. Just watch on. I'll put in my onions, my tomatoes, everything at once. Hoping you're liking this video. Give it a thumbs up please, and subscribe if you're new. Please subscribe. So watch. I've put in the spices. Then I'm also going to go ahead and add in the powdered spices, the black pepper, the tayarim chuzi, and then the chili powder. Then I'll also add in some salt to taste. Just watch on. That is my salt now. So now I'm going to go ahead and mix in all those ingredients. Don't mind about the quantity of those powdered spices. It's about how much you want to feel the flavor of those spices. So you put in according to how much flavor you really want from those spices. Now watch. going to add in the mixture onto our spaghetti. Just like that. Then I'll mix thoroughly. Watch on. As I mix our ingredients, our oil is already heating up on fire. You can see that is our oil. It has actually already heated up. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the other mixture of the spaghetti, the tomatoes, onions, chili powder, black pepper, green pepper. Just look at that. It's a whole mixture that I've added in, and just level it and let it cook evenly. I love to press to make it firm. Just a little pressing and allow it cook. Just watch on. And if you haven't watched some of my videos, I just published a video just 1 week back, some days back, on how to make Ugandan pancakes. I'll put its link in the description box, and please endeavor to check it out. So you see our spaghetti omelette is almost reaching our table. Now, to allow the other side cook, we flip. Did you see what I just did? Yeah, just if you haven't seen, just go back a little, then you see how I did it. I flipped. I covered the top with a separate pan, then I flipped, like I turned over. So you see, this is how it's looking. It's almost reaching our table. Wow, look, it's looking so yummy. Ready. Wow. Hope you're liking this video. Like this video and put in your comments. So it has reached our table, and we're going to serve it, and just see how yummy it looks. It looks so yummy. It's a very good breakfast meal, please, because it cooks in a very short time, and it's very, very delicious. Actually, it's a very good thing for breakfast, and also for those who want to save time, this is a very good breakfast for you. Just look how it comes out. So delicious, so yummy. Oh, so thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for tapping on my video and watching till the end. I'm so grateful. God bless you so much, and please see you in my next videos. Please share this video. Just tap the share button down this video and share it with friends, families, and everyone. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.